Good morning, Vinci and visitors. Thank you, Jatin, for wonderful introduction. Actually, today we talked about a journey. Actually, journey behind the motioning. Actually, so from any entrepreneur, the route from ideas to establish business is a long, winding process. Actually, uh, in 1991, a man behind motioning was born. So that it's me, Yash Suthar, and it's as a first generation entrepreneur, it's always difficult to establish a new business and challenges. So in 2012, I have established my working own journey from difficult e-commerce entrepreneur started in 2012. After my post graduated, I working on different e-commerce project called citymarvel.com, largestdigitallibrary.com, myfreebooks.com, and few more. But it was a successfully failure. Undoubtedly, first generation entrepreneur have to face some hurdles, and that's obvious. So I learned so many things, and I got realized most important thing was missing in my startup, that my digital presence in globally and all over market. So then in 2014, I started media company named Petri Studio, and I got overwhelmed response from market. We did so many destination weddings, music video, corporate shoots, and a lot more. Uh, but again, after a couple of years experience in media and graphic, I was ready with for new opportunity. So in May 2019, I started a company called Motion Inc. Uh, Many great artists and writers have said that the creativity is simply the ability to connect the dots that other might never think to connect. So I was ready to connect more, and I started Motion Inc. So in 2019, I planted seeds for Motion Inc. and today it's like a 1.5-year-old baby who always wanted to learn new things, always something new to explore, discover. It makes Motion Inc. mind active instead of passive. So there are two parts of Motion Inc. One is online and second is offline. Online, we are very soon, with the help of Vinci families, we will be live our website with very short time, and offline we work for interiors, architect and home decor showrooms. And very first time in September 2019, we did our first exhibition for Motion Inc. and here are some clips. So this is the exhibition we did in Urban Flea. So as we are, after lockdown, physical exhibition is not possible, but it was a great experience over there. Key product of Motion Inc. are like digital canvas artwork, designer wall clock, multi-layer mandalas, religious artwork, wooden artifacts, acrylic frames which we print on acrylics, world maps. So total we have more than 500 collection in our Motion Inc. products. So we are we having more than hundreds of canvas artwork. We have more than 50 designs of world map and many more in our collection. And let me show some how we make the product and process of our production. So this is we print on canvas print. This is a flatbed machine. So we can print on any flat surface like canvas, glass, acrylic and anything. Actually, quality of this machine is we can print on normal hair also. This is some laser artwork. These are some making video of some wooden artifacts. So with the CNC router machine, we create some 2D and 3D products also. This is our world map installation video. So we did before lockdown for one travel office. So this is how we work actually. Okay, thank you. And one last things actually, as we are a 1.5 year, but short time we achieved one great thing in our checklist. Actually, we are right now we are working on one of the best and dream project called Film City. Please just have a glimpse of this. So a home is what you make it. So turn the four walls of your home into a home with exclusive decor and making it a place to memories to born. Thank you guys. Any question guys?